Well, hello and welcome to my channel on a very hot Thursday the 13th, 2026, and I should say August the 13th. I'm going to take a picture of a little setup I've got in front of me, and I'm hoping to black out the background, which I just noticed I haven't completely. So let me give you a look to see what I'm doing, because I've got a tripod on here. We have one flash over here, the TT350, rather an old flash, but it works. What are we going to be photographing? Oops, got that working wrong. There we go. My little friend here, Kathy, bought me that ages ago. Thought it might come in handy for doing something, you know, photographing or something or other. So yeah, there he sits. We have a bird bath. Now, I purchased this bird bath a little while ago. Trouble is, it doesn't hold water very well. It's wooden, but it's got a great big crack in it. You can't see the crack, it's under the stones. And I did fill it, but it's still leaking. So yeah, but a few coloured stones in there and that, just to give it a little bit of interest. So yeah, the camera, well, that's the Lumix S1MII. On top we have a Godox X Pro 2, and the other flash I have is a V480 sitting there. So what have I taken a picture of? Well, this is the test picture on here. You can see that okay, and it comes out quite nicely. Now I do want to see if I can black out the background a bit more. I don't know if I can, but I will try. I did it earlier on, but yeah. So let's see, shall we? Let's put you there. Somehow, like, no, I think we'll put you to a little bit further in, and whoops, point you down and not up. There we go. I don't know if you can see that very well. That screen very well. Yeah, there we go. So we're shooting at f/18, and we've got it up to 6,400. Oh dear. So if I screw this right the way down to there, so you can see it's focused quite well. So now we'll just boost this back up. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try something. I'm going to boost it as high as it'll go. 8,000. See what happens, shall we? 2-second timer. Well, it's not bad. I've still got the fence, but as you can see, I think, just about, yeah. So I've still got the fence showing up, but it's not too bad. I don't mind that, actually. I can see something I want to shift straight away. I've got to stretch right over here. Get rid of that out of the picture. So yeah, I wonder if I took the I can't take the f-stop up anymore, can I? Should we go all the way? F30s. Ridiculous. Well, I can say it blacked out the fence, but yeah, it's almost blacked out the bird as well. So that's far too high, isn't it? Right. So we'll drop that back down to, oh, we'll leave that high, and we'll drop the f-stop back down to f/18. I like f/18. Nice round figure. See what it does again. Yeah. Oh, I think that's nice. I think we'll live with the fence in the background. This smoke does it linger quite well. Oh, yes. I think I've cracked it. I really do. That is really nice. I wonder if I can get a bit more. Right, after a little interruption, we shall try this again. Yeah, come back to me. So there you go. So, yeah, 2 or 3 pictures there. Nothing spectacular. Well, yeah, I think so. Considering first try at doing this, and I don't do still life very often. In fact, this is probably only about the 2nd time I've ever done still life. I try not to, but I quite enjoyed doing this, and I should be trying it again. Especially with the smoke machine. I mean, I think how it came out, I'm looking at one on my computer there, so I do have the camera connected to the computer, as I said, and I have to have an aircraft go over. It's a very quiet one, that, yeah, crikey. So yeah, so I'm going to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And to all my new subscribers, thank you for coming on board. And for all those that haven't subscribed yet, come on, look what you're missing. If you're subscribed, hit the bell icon. You know when I put another video out, and you can have a right giggle at me making videos and taking pictures. Yeah, okay. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.